Okay, Brian, if I change my air cabin filter, does that help make my AC colder somehow?
Well, it's not a super simple question. Maybe not. I'll try to make it make sense. So, when you technically, will it make it colder if you change the filter? Maybe not. If you're checking it with a thermometer, right? But let's just say that. Well, what if to use this for an analogy?
Okay.
Really super scorching hot day. You keep the blower motor on low.
All right.
AC is on cold, it's blowing cold air, but it's on low. You're not getting enough airflow.
I'm never feeling cold. Right.
Yeah, right. You're like, oh my God, I need more air.
Yeah.
You need to cool the car off because there's just not enough airflow.
Right.
So that's kind of what happens. You can still have cold air, but not enough airflow to cool the cabin off.
And that's really, when people think about your air conditioner being colder, it's really about what it feels like it's doing. And the fan counts.
Comfortable.
So scientifically, it might be just as cold.
Right.
But
exactly.
It's not going to feel just as cold. That's all that matters. So.
Yeah.
Glad we solved that.
Yeah.
So just go ahead and you still want to change your air filter when you need to, because we have another video where we talk about that. It can hurt your blower motor if you don't. So if you want to learn about that, head to the website, weberautomotive.com. You can watch that video and a whole bunch of other ones. So thanks a lot for watching.
Thanks, Randy.